Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE-MAIN Shift-1 25th of July 2021 question. It's a memory based question. So question 4 tells us the number of the real solution of the equation e to the power 6x plus e to the power 4x plus 2 e to the power 3x plus 12 e to the power 2x plus e to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 options are given. So now fx, suppose this one is fx. So the series is fx. Fx is equal to what? E to the power 6x plus e to the power 4x plus 12 e to the power 2x, e to the power 6x 4x, it is 2 e to the power 3x plus 12 e to the power 2x minus plus e to the power x minus 1. So this is fx. So now number of solution, if you make calculate, then we should calculate f dash x. So f dash x is equal to what? 6 e to the power 6x plus 4 e to the power 4x plus 6 e to the power 3x plus 24 e to the power 2x plus e to the power x. So here we see that is f dash x is greater than 0 when for all x belongs to R. So for all x belongs to R, f dash x is equal to f greater than 0. So now it shows that fx is an increasing function. Therefore we may say fx is an increasing function. Increasing function. So now f of 0 is equal to what? Putting 0 in this equation, so it is 1, it is 2, it is 12, it is 1, and it is minus 1. So now this one become 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 12 plus 1 minus 1. So this is a positive value. Now f dash minus infinity is equal to what? So when put minus infinity, this one all the terms is eliminated, and 1 is minus 1 is left here, so minus 1. So this is negative. So now fb minus fa is equal to, we see that is minus 1. So number of solution, now the situation must be verified, that is number of real solution, number of real solution can be what? 1. So this is our required answer. So we reached. So our right option is option 2 is our correct choice. So this is the solution of question 4. Now moving to question 5. So question 5 tells us that is, if 1 by a minus b plus 1 by a minus 2b plus dot 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 up to 1 by a minus nb is equal to alpha n plus beta n square plus gamma n cube, where a is so large then b must be cube and higher powers of b by a be neglected in the value of gamma. Okay. So this is the question in the house of series and sequence. So now we should calculate at first general term. So general term is equal to what? General term of this series, general term is equal to, we know 1 by a minus rb, and limit is r is equal to 1 to n. So this is our general term. So now calculate this one. 1 by a is common, that is r is equal to summation 1 to n. So now the denominator become 1 minus r into b by a. So now break this 1 by a summation r equal to 1 to n. So 1 minus r b by a whole minus of 1. So now if we put r is equal to 1, then it is eliminated. So this one now become 1 by a summation r equal to 1 to n 1 minus b by a whole minus 1. So now expansion, make this expansion. So here we get 1 by a summation r equal to 1 to n. So one r is missing here, r is equal to 1 to n. So now this one become, sorry, r is missing here. Finally we putting the value. So 1 plus r b by a plus r square b square by a square plus dot dot dot. As we don't take the values of cube, as because quotient tells us the higher power of b by a be neglected, and so let's then be such that cube and higher power. So up to square we calculate the value. So now putting r is equal to 1, the values, summation value, so that is now become n plus b by a plus n into n plus 1 by 2 plus b square by a square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So now coefficient of gamma, therefore we should calculate the value of gamma. So coefficient of gamma. So now coefficient of gamma. So coefficient of gamma is equal to n cube, that is equal to 2b square by 6a square into 1 by a. So that is equal to b square by 3a cube. B square by 3a cube. So now we reached, I think, higher power of b by a may be neglected the value of gamma. So this is our required answer. We should calculate the coefficient of gamma. So it is b square by 3a square. So option 1 is our correct choice. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.